Hello YouTube. So I'm super excited to do a answers video here, and the questions are going to be ones that you guys have asked me through the comment sections of my videos. I think that's really cool. I'm really glad to see the love for some of the content I've been providing. And yeah, if anybody has questions on anything I'm doing, please feel free to ask in the comment section. If I see it, I will try and respond. So one of the first questions I received was from AdvenTours, and they want to know, can I use my isteady gimbal with the Ulanzi case, with the mic and everything? So unfortunately the answer is no. So I've got my isteady gimbal here, and as you can see, there really is not that much clearance, even if you had just the GoPro on it. Now, if you were to put if you were to modify this GoPro in a way that would allow you to have it sit within the gimbal frame itself, you still would not have, you would not be able to get the clearance that was required to properly operate the gimbal. I would also be concerned on the weight of this versus what this isteady gimbal is able to support. So unfortunately, the answer to that question is no. I don't believe that it would be a good modification or a good path to take to try and make this Ulanzi case on the GoPro Hero 7 fit an isteady gimbal. So the next question that I received was about my video on the GoPro battery and whether or not, battery door, and whether or not your GoPro is still waterproof. As some of you know that from watching that video, that I was having problems with my original Hero 7, and after many uses, the battery door started to no longer sit flush. So GoPro has sent me, well, this is, I guess, the second replacement Hero 7 I've got, but this one has a perfectly sitting battery door. Now it's kind of hard to see because I'm filming this on my cell phone, but there is no protruding ledge on the battery door of this GoPro. That is how your GoPro battery door should look like. If you remember on my last, on that video responding to talking about the waterproofness of your GoPro, there is a considerable ledge where this was sitting above the frame of the GoPro. You could take a gift card and you wouldn't be able to pass it smoothly across the ledge. It would hit the ledge and it would stop. But that is what a properly fitted GoPro door should look like. Well, once again, I appreciate taking the time to watch my videos. I appreciate also taking the time to ask me questions. I'll continue to try and respond the best I can, and keep watching and subscribe.